Hi, I'm Paula Dabney. I am from Canton, Missouri. I have two kids. I'm 49 years old. I have a lot going on in my life right now. I am going to school full time. I am finishing up a bachelor's degree, and I'm taking my prerequisites for PA school. I hope that I can be done with my prereqs. Well, I will be done with my prereqs by August. I will be applying in the next cycle for PA school. I am looking very forward to it. I am kind of an odd bridge. I've been a respiratory therapist for 17 years. Absolutely love my job. I love helping people, and I want to continue that as a PA. I am going to my bachelor's degree is in business management. I had an associate of science degree, and the quickest way to bridge that over to a bachelor's was to do an online bachelor's program in business management. So I'm going to have a bachelor's degree in business management, and I am going to do that. I have two kids, a 20-year-old and a 13-year-old. I have a little black dog that we absolutely adore, and I am really excited to get done with this class, and then I am going to be moving on to the rest of my classes. I'm excited to get done with business management. I'll be done with that in May. It really excites me. You know, I'm going to be 50 this year, which is kind of scary. Not really looking forward to that, but it's better than the alternative. So I think that I'm hoping to apply my respiratory management, or my respiratory degree, my respiratory experience, into being a PA. I would love to work under a pulmonologist. That is my ultimate goal. We have several good pulmonologists at the hospital that I work at, and I really would like to work under them. Thank you guys for listening, and good luck with the class.